Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 21st of June. BOE interest rate decision. Bank of England is to announce its interest rate decision today at 11 GMT and is expected to remain on hold at plus 0.50%. GBP overnight interest swaps imply a probability for the bank to remain on hold of 94%. Market focus could shift to the accompanying statement, which could contain remarks about the political uncertainty surrounding Brexit, the low growth rate, as well as the high inflation rate and the solid wage growth rate. The market may scrutinize the statement for any clues regarding the next rate hike. Should the accompanying statement have a more dovish outlook, we could see the pound weakening and vice versa. Also note that the consensus is for a 7-2 vote count in favor of the bank remaining on hold, but the possibility of a 6-3 vote count should not be underestimated. GBPJPY rose slightly yesterday and during today's Asian session tested the 145.70 resistance line. The pair could have a sideways motion today, however, it might prove sensitive to any news regarding the BOE interest rate decision, as well as the headlines of trade tensions due to JPY's dual nature as a safe haven. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 144.50 support line. Should it find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 145.70 resistance line and aim for the 147.20 resistance hurdle. Theresa May dodges another bullet. According to media, UK Prime Minister Theresa May had a crucial victory yesterday in Parliament regarding a major Brexit legislation. Pro-EU Conservative rebels backed down after extensive discussions with the government officials and voted the proposed Brexit legislation. The concessions made on behalf of the government remain disputed, as the rebels seem satisfied with the government's proposal for a meaningful vote. Theresa May's victory in Parliament could reduce uncertainty within the UK political stage, at least for a while. However, the actual Brexit negotiations with the EU could prove to be more difficult. The pound strengthened upon the news and now is facing the Bank of England interest rate challenge. In today's other economic highlights in the European session, we get from Switzerland SNB's interest rate decision. The bank is widely expected to remain on hold, but still provides some volatility for CHF crosses. USD CHF rose yesterday and during today's Asian session broke the 0.9963 resistance line, now turned to support. Despite that, the pair remained within the boundaries of its sideways movement between the 0.9990 resistance line and the 0.9932 support line. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade within those boundaries, however, with some bullish tendencies due to the SNB interest rate decision. On the other hand, should an extensive risk of sentiment materialize in the markets, we could see the pair being driven by the bears due to CHF's dual nature as a safe haven. Should the bulls take over, we could see the pair breaking the 0.9990 resistance level and aiming for the 1.0020 resistance hurdle. Should the bears be in the driver's seat, we could see the pair breaking the 0.9963 support line and aim for the 0.9932 support barrier. Also in the European session, we get from Norway's Bank interest rate decision, and in the American session, we get the US initial jobless claims as well as Philly Fed business index for June. Last but not least, we note the release of Eurozone's preliminary consumer confidence indicator for June. As for speakers, we highlight German BUBA President Jens Weidmann, Minneapolis Fed President Noel Kashkari, and Bank of England's Governor Mark Carney. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. You can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.